was being optimistic. I brought my swimmers and a towel, but it kind of just looks really cold. So maybe I'll pass. Yeah, we'll see. Plan is to do zigzag through Anglesey today, but on the way there we're gonna take this very scenic route right past Snowdon. Really excited about that one. I thought there was meant to be a castle here somewhere, but there isn't. Change enough. There's all these 20-mile speed limits in literally every village here, and which it's great considering the lifestyle. You know, people can just walk around, and it's quite great for the locals. But when you see cars driving around 20 miles an hour, it looks like they're just confused. Who drives 20 miles an hour? Everyone just looks really confused. When everyone's driving 20 miles an hour, like, it's just weird. And it's not even a safe speed for motorcycles. More like to drop your bike. Anyway, the weather has changed. A little. Lovely little fresh breeze. Know what's wrong with it, bruv? It's broken. Alright, I was very wrong earlier on. I thought there was a Snowdon near Blaufassing, or however you pronounce it, but it's actually around here. Something tells me it might be that one up there. But at the same time, I might be wrong again. Look at this place. So I wanted to ride that road up there, the Erzberg Rodeo, on adventure bikes. But Anthony is not up for it, so I mean, this almost feels like some small village in Nepal. Like really high up in the mountain with all these flags. All these flashbacks. Anthony must be like, bro, where are you taking me? What is this road? Oh God. I myself don't know, my friend. Ah, just a few potholes, mate. Oh, this is lovely. Oh no. Public notice. There are other ways. What a place. Right, this is Anglesey. Never ever have I been here before. How beautiful, huh? Puffin Island right there. Fuck, you know. Why is it always me? There's 3 more coming. All right. How you doing? Are you? What are you up to? Oh, motorbikes. Oh, I see. Cool. Just towards the end and back, is it?
Yes.
Right. Well, I'm not paying for them.
Are they not with you?
No. Oh, he's gonna pay for. I want to hang out with those girls now, not with you. The bikers. It's what?
Mad.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's not a long hike, you'll be okay, no?